parents, welcome back to the Indian Toddlers. So today's vlog is about afternoon to evening learning activity with toddlers. Hope you enjoy the video. Stay tuned. So for this afternoon, we will be doing a lot of stuff starting from the puzzle board. This came in a set of 5 and it is really good. You have animals, fruits and all kinds of other things that comes for the puzzle. And afternoon time is really good because he is well fed. He had his afternoon nap and he's all activated and he's very energized and well fed, so he concentrates and he shows a lot of interest in doing all sorts of activities that I ask him to, or I help him to, or there are certain activities that he would love to do it himself. As of now, he is putting all the animals in their respective houses. We took out all the animals and he had been doing this for like 2 days, so he sort of knows where to put which animals. So he knows this one a little well than the next one that is going to come up. So there he identifies animals and he put them on in their houses and is really happy. Now we are doing the same activity with another set of puzzles, that is the fruits, and since he doesn't know really well, I had to help him out, put all the fruits in their houses. So again he identifies and put the things back in their place. Next activity that we do is identification of fruits now in his book. All in one book, the link of which I'll be putting in the description box, and I've made a separate video on to which kind of books are required for toddlers. And you have this one particular book all in one where you have everything, all the content. So today we are reading fruits and he already knows all the fruits, so he's identifying, we're just revising our stuff. This is watermelon. What is this? What is this? Great. What is this, Ayush? Look here, beta. What is this, Ayushman? Guava. What is this? Guava. What is this? Strawberry. Very good. This cherry. What is this? I am posing in the photo. What's this? Revision is a very important part when you are trying to make your toddler aware of everything. You keep repeating things, not only in books but in actual day-to-day life. When you have any objects around, just make them be aware of what they are. Kids tend to learn practical things even more quickly and better than those just watching in the book. So when you place an apple in their hands, they are able to remember and correlate with what apple feels like, smells like and tastes like. That way they tend to learn even better. We're doing the vegetable learning activities now. He already knows the actual vegetables. I give him a practical experience, so I ask him to take out vegetables from the fridge, and we cheer up aloud when he gets back with the correct vegetables. That way he gets confident about knowing the particular vegetables very nicely, and it's a very good overall experience.
Spinach, very good. Where is
cheering your child up is very important. I make sure that I cheer him up for every good thing that he does. I not really praise him a lot, but cheer him up.
Cauliflower.
That is important. That helps them,
up. Look up, upside.
That gives them an immense happiness.
Yay, very
and
good.
That enhances
bhindi.
their confidence, and that also makes them feel very important. I also keep giving him a background music for everything. Background music just helps in getting back their concentration
Yeah,
back, and
where is
it
potato?
also helps them
Potato,
cheer up,
potato,
feel
potato. Very
refreshed
good.
and better, and
Where is
be very
bitter gourd?
excited about
Ayush, where's
finding
bitter
out
gourd?
the next
Bitter
correct
gourd.
vegetables or next correct objects that you ask them to identify. So after getting bored of that vegetable activity, we got into sticking. Now again, we are sticking on the wall. Many of you might think that it is, it should be done, but then we just do it. It's creativity. When it is coming out of your child, make sure that you don't stop them. Walls can always be painted, but once the stream of that creativity is stopped, perhaps it'll be stopped forever. So this was the afternoon to evening activity, and then we get onto the ground and we have a lot of fun.
Wow.
Ashman's father and I make sure that we both go with him, because it is always fun to be around with your parents. And here we spend a lot of quality time just being in nature, not talking very much, but just keeping a close look at the nature and kind of making a relationship with the winds, with the grasses, with the trees. We appreciate and feel grateful, and we often show gratitude to God for giving us everything that we have, no matter how large or small.
Jumping on
The fact that you have something or everything is just way beyond. And that is what we teach our child also,
Like Peppa Pig.
to take note of the tiniest thing and to be grateful. So he runs around and tries to have fun. We are a little scared of letting him play with the other children, because it's coronavirus time, and we have to be like really cautious. So during activity, again, we don't wear mask, because our lungs needs a lot of oxygen when we are having a physical activity. So here we do not wear mask. And
crocodile.
Ayushmann
Trees.
likes identifying
like
the
crocodile.
trees, the grasses. He's very happy. After playing for an hour or so, we gradually head towards our home. After getting back home, we give him a nice bath, which is very important, especially during the summers, and especially when it is COVID-19 all around. So we take him home and give him a nice bath. He feels refreshed. So by the time we get back home, it is almost dark, and it is the time when Ayushmann have his dinner. So he has his dinner, and then he is almost ready to go off to bed. So he sleeps, and so this was a little activity of from afternoon to evening routine. And our activities do keep changing depending on the mood and the day. So this was a little sneak into our day. Thank you for being the part of it, and thank you for watching the video. See you next time. Until then, stay safe, take care, bye bye.